Hi my friends, welcome to another video today. As you all know, I'm here to share any knowledge that will support your good health. How many of you have eaten black rice before? Yes, as the name entails, black rice is filled with lots of antioxidant properties that helps keep the body healthy. Black rice is actually known as forbidden rice. It has some, it's actually purple in color, like when it comes in contact with water, it's purple in color, and that purple color helps, to give the brain a healthy, to keep the brain healthy, make it to function very well. As you all know, every part of our body needs the right nutrition to make it function well. And black rice, let me shock you with this information. Black rice has the highest amount of protein compared to other rice, even brown rice. Black rice has more protein than brown rice. So if you're a lover of rice just like me, but you're looking to choose a healthy function, trust me, go for black rice and thank me later. I'll let you enjoy and watch how I prepared my black rice. There is no rocket science to it. Just the way you prepare your your white rice, the same way you prepare your black rice. Just be very, very creative and be intentional here. And that's it. So I will see you in another video. If you have not subscribed, click that red button. Support this channel. Click the bell sign. Choose the option that says all. That way you will get all my notifications anytime I upload a video. Okay, so you keep watching, and just to get an idea on how you can go ahead and prepare your black rice. Like I said, just like any other rice, just a healthy option here. Okay, bye bye. I'll see you in another video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.